Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your own logo to your Wix website. And not just any image, but a professional quality vector logo. By the end of this video, you'll know how to swap out Wix's default logo with your own unique branding, making your site stand out and look truly custom. Let's jump right in. Alright, if you've just created a new Wix site from scratch, or even if you've been working on your site for a while, you might have noticed that Wix gives you a default logo up at the top. It's usually a simple placeholder, but of course, you'll want to replace that with your own brand identity. So, start by clicking on that default logo. Don't worry, you won't mess anything up. Just give it a click, and that will bring up an editing menu. Now, here's where things get interesting. You'll see an option labeled Change Vector Art. This is the key step that lets you swap out the default image for something that represents your business, blog, or portfolio. Go ahead and click on Change Vector Art. Wix will then pop up a dialog where you can either select another option from Wix's built-in vector collection, or you can upload your very own logo file. Let me pause for a moment to talk about why Wix uses vector images for logos and why it matters. Vector images are wonderful for logos because they stay crisp and clear no matter how big or small you make them. If you've ever tried to stretch a regular photo and it got blurry or pixelated, you know what I mean. Vectors are made up of mathematical lines and shapes, so the edges always stay perfect. This means your logo will look sharp whether it's at the corner of your website, filling a background, or even printed in gigantic size for a banner. So if you're trying to upload your logo and it's not working, double-check that it's a vector file, like SVG, or sometimes AI or EPS formats. If you only have your logo as a JPG or PNG, you might need to convert it to vector first. There are online converters, or you can ask your designer for a vector copy. Once you have your logo ready, and remember, only vector images will work for the logo spot on Wix, click Upload and select your logo file from your computer. If your file is compatible, Wix will process it and show you a preview. Take a moment here to make sure the colors and details are correct. If something looks off, don't panic. It could be a transparency issue, or maybe your logo uses gradients that don't show up right. In those cases, you might need to tweak the file before uploading again. Assuming everything looks good, simply hit Apply. And voila, your logo is now part of your Wix website. You'll immediately see your branding up at the top, replacing the generic placeholder. It's a small change that makes a big impact, because a logo is often the first thing visitors notice. You're sending a professional message about your site, your brand, and your attention to detail. If you ever want to update your logo, just repeat the process by clicking on it and swapping it out for a new file. Wix makes it really simple, so you can keep your site fresh as your brand evolves. And that's it. Now you know how to add your custom vector logo to your Wix website. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, especially if you're having trouble with file formats or uploading, and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy Wix and website tips. See you in the next video.